Hello everyone, welcome back to Floors Cleaning Services. It is a very sunny day, but it's going to be 30 degrees today and I'm already sweating just unloading the van. Got the machine filling up and this is how we can zoom in. The weeds we are dealing with. All over the back as well. They're so high, it's crazy. Yeah, can look forward to Blitz's one. In terms of the drive, it's alright to be fair, but just sprouting out absolute beanstalks, so I'm gonna have to blitz this really. Yeah, enjoy. Right, I'm in a pickle. I forgot my wellies and my waders. I've never done this before. Oh man, my feet are gonna get soaked. It's one of them ones that's a bit too long to go back like. Oh, yeah, so if you're wondering why I'm not wearing wellies, I would love to be, honestly. I mean, I normally do grime lines, but you're having a laugh. Love that grime line. Also weed free all around the edges. Check out the new Nike Mud Edition. Yep, so halfway through. Taken up a hell of a lot of weeds, which is pretty good. I don't know what's worse, if I got my water bottle in 30-degree heat or I've got my welly boots. But as you see, I mean, I just go and do it again. Did you see them bubbles? Oh. Alright, lovely jubbly, that's all sorted. Got 2 bags there worth of weeds. Churned all the borders out, they were full of mud and weeds and whatnot, so I've churned them over for them. Cleaned the windows. See the drive's looking weed free now. My trainers and legs on the other hand. Honestly, rookie mistake. Can't believe I left them at home. But yeah, really happy with it all. I've just got to come back and sand it. If you want to give me a thumbs up, that's great, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Where are we?
Pub.
No, we're at Nando's.
Yeah.
Say it, Nando's.
Nando's.
What are you holding in your hand?
It's chicken.
Good boy.
Oh, it's nice.
What are you going to get for lunch?
Fish nuggets and
Fish and nuggets? I don't think they do fish or nuggets.
fingers.
Yeah, fish fingers in Nando's. When it clearly has a chicken. Right there.
It was McDonald's.
We're not in McDonald's.
No.
No.
First,
What is it?
dinosaur.
Wow.
It's T-Rex. It's got sharp.
T-Rex.
Yeah, it has got sharp teeth.
Got sharp teeth.
They have.
Wow.
It's one up. They've got tape there. I've done this one.
I'll do this one. Who you got?
Three.
What is it?
Cheese.
Cheese?
There.
Wow. I think it's called halloumi.
Yeah. That's it, Josh.
I'm gonna dip it. Alpha. Oh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe if you like the video. Well done.